The stage is all set, and February 5th will be that day when it will be a deciding factor as to who will be winning this elections that is going to happen. It's going to be a single phase, and all of Delhi will be coming together to decide who will be the new chief minister, who will it be, who will be their MLAs, who will address the problems, be a part of the problems, solve the problems, and address to the public. Now we are at this very important place. We are the Chandni Chowk Vidhan Sabha, and this is the very famous Chandni Chowk market. You can see the very Lal Killa, and this is going to be an interesting fight because it has Punardeep Singh from Aam Aadmi Party, who is the son of sitting MLA Prahlad Singh Sawhney. From BJP, it's Satish Jain, and from Congress, Mudit Agarwal is there. Now, very importantly, a very strong fight, a triangular fight that is happening at the national capital. And at this very Chandni Chowk Vidhan Sabha, let me again pan the camera and show you the visuals of this very iconic place, which is also called the Chandni Chowk Market. It's a market that has bustling crowd. You can, in every time of the day, you come here, you can see how there are so many people who are here, who are a part of this enormous crowd that is here. And not even one day there is in this very place where you see that there is less amount of people. There's always people coming and going. The very famous Lal Killa is there. There's Gurudwara also here. And this very market has different types of things. People even say that in the Chandni Chowk you get everything that you wish for, everything you want. And this place will be a very iconic fight between three major parties, Aam Aadmi Party, Congress and BJP. And we are also joined by a few people who will give us a perspective of the fact that who do they think is winning, who is contesting, what are the problems people are facing here, has the sitting MLA done any work, has there been any solution, and many other problems, many other situations, many other things that they will be facing, they will be voicing their opinion. Sir, my very first question to you would be, from Aam Aadmi Party, Punardeep Singh is contesting, who is the son of the sitting MLA. Do you think the work has been done in this very Vidhan Sabha constituency? If not, what can be done better?
See, Punardeep Sawhney is the son of Sawhney Saab, who's been 4 times MLA at least from Chandni Chowk, and he's the sitting MLA also. Without doubt, one big advantage with him is that he's connected with the people of this area from grassroots level. That is one big advantage he has. But one must not forget that there is an undercurrent of anti-incumbency for the Aam Aadmi Party led by Mr. Kejriwal. And this anti-incumbency is more against Mr. Kejriwal himself. So that can be a contributing factor to the BJP win here, because also the Congress party is strong. Congress party has Mudit Agarwal ji, who is again a very strong candidate, and he is the son of JP Agarwal ji, a veteran Congress leader. So this is a very, 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 very tough fight. And personally, I think BJP might steal a march over these two stalwarts. That is my personal opinion.
And sir, if I ask you the same question, what according to you, आपके हिसाब से काम हुआ है, सिटिंग एमएलए ने काम किया है या काम नहीं हुआ है?
बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ, काम नहीं हुआ, बिल्कुल कोई काम नहीं हुआ। हर आदमी इसको जानता है, हर आदमी इनकी नेचर को जानता है। उनके क्या है, सिर्फ जो भी ज़्यादा बोलूँ ना, इनके अगेंस्ट बोल नहीं पाऊँगा, लेकिन कुछ काम नहीं हुआ यहाँ पर, सिर्फ पैसा।
और डेवलपमेंट के नाम में ऐसा कुछ नहीं
हुआ। डेवलपमेंट नाम में कुछ भी नहीं हुआ काम। बेटा ऐसा है, ये जो आदमी है, जो केजरीवाल है, इसका एक एजेंडा फ्री, और कोई एजेंडा नहीं इसके पास। ये भी दे दो फ्री, वो भी दे दो फ्री, इसका पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? जो कभी डेवलपमेंट के बारे में उसने कभी बात करी है? कभी कोई बात नहीं करता, सिर्फ फ्री के चक्कर में रहता है। जिस कंट्री में फ्री बांटी गई है रेवड़ियाँ, वो बर्बाद हो गई हैं। और कभी भी खाली आदमी को बिठाओगे और पैसा दे भी दोगे तो क्या बर्बाद ही करोगे ना? सब कुछ बर्बाद करना है तो इसको दे दो। ऑलरेडी बर्बाद हो चुकी है दिल्ली, दिल्ली में कोई डेवलपमेंट नहीं है। कोई भी डेवलपमेंट नहीं है किसी भी तरीके से। आज जितनी भी कंट्रियों में फ्री बांटी गई वो बर्बाद हो गई है। ये उसी नक्शे पर चल रहा है, लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है। जब तक फ्री रेवड़ियाँ ख़त्म नहीं होगी, चाहे पार्लियामेंट में बिल पास हो, चाहे जैसे भी बिल पास हो, ये फ्री रेवड़ियों का बंद होना चाहिए। अदरवाइज़ कोई भी किसी देश की, या हमारे यहाँ भी तरक्की नहीं होती, कहीं भी तरक्की नहीं हो सकती फ्री के चक्कर में।
चाचा आप भी देख रहे हो, आपको कुछ बोलना है क्या? काम हुआ है आपके हिसाब से यहाँ?
नहीं मान भैया, हमें नहीं मान।
को नहीं पता, ठीक है। एनीवे, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू आस्क यू दिस अनदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू फील people would be facing are facing, because here there's a lot of markets, there are a lot of traders. So according to the, what can be the problems that needs to be addressed that has not been addressed according to you? And we can also walk while we are also talking, and I'll also request my camera person to also show in between the visuals also of these beautiful places and how bustling this entire crowd is. Yes.
You see, one thing, the markets which they need is, a trader needs free atmosphere and a business environment which is healthy to work in. The customer, if he comes to the market, the infrastructure must be updated. Customer must feel free to come. Ladies' toilets, the primary thing which is needed, hygienic toilets, they are missing in this area. They have been made under the SRDC project, but they're not very hygienic, very clean. They should be better, and ladies' toilets should be more, so that more women can come in here, and they are the better shoppers for us. So that is one thing which is seriously missing. Market development should be there. That is very, very important.
सर आपसे भी मैं जानने का ये कोशिश करूँगा वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली कि बहुत सारे इश्यूज है नेशनल कैपिटल में जो शायद एड्रेस नहीं हुआ है. अगर मैं पूरी दिल्ली की बात करूँ, यमुना का स्तर जो पोल्यूशन लेवल है वो है, जो नॉर्मल एयर पोल्यूशन है उसमें प्रॉब्लम है, पानी में जो दिक्कत है, पानी भी प्रदूषित आ रही है, पोल्यूशन आ रही है. तो आम आदमी पार्टी ने कल मैनिफेस्टो भी लॉन्च किया अपना. उन्होंने ये भी बोला है कि हम 2100 रुपया देंगे. आपके हिसाब से ऑन ग्राउंड जो ये वादे किए जाते हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर जो वादे करते हैं, मोहल्ला क्लिनिक की अगर बात करें, अतिशी जी ने भी ये स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि उन्होंने कभी मोहल्ला क्लिनिक विजिट ही नहीं किया. आपके हिसाब से ये क्या सिर्फ ये वादे खोखले हैं, ये वादे ग्राउंड में इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किए गए हैं, या दीज आर जस्ट वर्ड्स कि ये आ रहे हैं, दे आर सेइंग एंड इट्स नॉट गेटिंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड?
सर ऐसा है, ये लोग तो वायदे तो करते हैं, इनके वायदे अगर सुनेंगे तो कोई भी पूरा नहीं करते. इन्होंने बच्चों की किस्में खाई थी, मैं कांग्रेस के साथ नहीं मिलूंगा. जितने भी झूठे से झूठे वायदे हैं इनके हैं, कभी भी कोई वायदे पर नहीं है. ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर डेवलपमेंट के बारे में कभी इन्होंने कोई बात करी है? आज तक नहीं करी. सिर्फ फ्री बांटने के बारे में करी है. कब तक फ्री होगा, कैसे चलेगा? जो टैक्स पेयर से कभी पूछा भी गया है कि पैसे किसके हैं, हमें यहाँ लगाने या नहीं लगाने? सिर्फ एक ही समझदार हमारे हिंदुस्तान में रह गया. IIT अपने आप को बहुत कहता है, वो बड़ा कैलकुलेटिव, एकदम वो क्या मतलब एकदम क्या दूसरा वर्ड यूज़ करूँ उसके लिए, क्या है मतलब, कभी ज़िंदगी में सच नहीं बोला. जो अपने बच्चों की झूठ कसम खा जाए तो वो सच्चा कभी हो सकता है क्या? इससे बढ़कर क्या इंसान को होता है? तो कभी सच्चा नहीं है. इसलिए सर वायदे झूठे हैं. सिर्फ लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाना, वो कैलकुलेशन करता है इससे इतने लोगों को कैसे बेवकूफ़ बनाना, इससे कितना बेवकूफ़ बनाना. उसका सिर्फ एक काम है, अपने आप को बहुत समझदार समझना, दूसरों को बेवकूफ़ बनाना. एक ही काम है उसका.
और सर इवन द बीजेपी, द कांग्रेस, बीजेपी हैज सेड दे वुड गिव 2500. कांग्रेस हैज सेड कि अंडर द प्यारी दीदी योजना वो लोग भी 2500 देंगे. आम आदमी हैज ऑल्सो क्लियरली सेड कि वी विल गिव यू 2100. अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, do you think any of these parties would be willing to give them money if they win, or you think all these parties are saying this and it's not going to be implemented on ground? What do you think?
See, Modi ki guarantee is well known. Whenever Modi and BJP have said something, they have done it without a doubt. Personally, I am against the freebies, which BJP probably has been forced to resort to because of these freebies. A lot of voters who are earning, within 12 to 20,000 rupees. For them,
Do you think, I'm sorry to cut you in between. Do you think this is a competition per se? Because, Aam Aadmi Party has announced that we will give you 2,500 or 2,100. Then again, BJP has also come in and they've said we will give you 2,500. Now then, Congress has also come in and we will give you 2,500. Do you think this is like a competition that they are seeing this and we are going to give you this much money? Do you think these are getting implemented, will be getting implemented if BJP comes to power?
If BJP comes to power, I'm very sure it will get implemented. If Aam Aadmi comes back to power, which I doubt, I don't think they'll get more than 30 seats, then it's very difficult for them to manage this promise. I'll tell you why. Delhi budget is about 70 to 78,000 crores. This freebies would amount to about 38,000. Then you have to pay the salaries of the employees. How will they manage? BJP has the central government support. So somehow it can manage, although it is going to be extremely tough. But they are probably going to find a way, and Modi ki guarantee means Modi ki guarantee. He will do it somehow. Although I'm totally against the freebies which have been offered. But they have worked. They have worked in the past.
और सर आम आदमी पार्टी बार बार ये एलिगेशन दे रही है बीजेपी के अगेंस्ट कि एलजी के तरफ से कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिल पा रहा है हमें, इसीलिए हम काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। एलजी में हमको जो परमिशन चाहिए इन रिटर्न एलजी नहीं दे रहा है, और हम इसकी वजह से बहुत सारे काम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के डेवलपमेंट्स या कुछ भी डेवलपमेंट वो हम नहीं कर पा रहे। इस पर आप क्या बोलना चाहते
तो फिर आगे भी यही होगा, अगर इसके बाद भी यही होगा। फिर एक्सक्यूज़ है, अगर यही एक्सक्यूज़ है तो फिर अगला भी एक्सक्यूज़ यही होगा, हमें काम नहीं करने दे गया। एक्सक्यूज़ क्या होगा ना, फिर तो आगे भी आपको सुनने में ये मिला हमें काम करने नहीं दिया, तो पब्लिक कहाँ पिछेगी। झूठा तो आपके सामने झूठी स्टेटमेंट है तो कितनी है। मैं कह रहा हूँ बच्चों की झूठ बात है तो झूठ से प्रकाष्ठा हो गई ना झूठ की। तो सच्चा तो उसने कभी बोला ही नहीं, सिर्फ लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाना जानता है, अपने आप को ज़्यादा समझदार समझना, लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाना उसका एक ही फंडा है, और किसी कुछ नहीं है। ये लोग इसी।
And I'll also be asking you, this Sheesh Mahal became a huge controversy. Even in the CAG report also it was mentioned that a lot of money was taken to make this Sheesh Mahal. There were, literally, acres that were there. There were literally money that was written, this was spent on this. What do you think, because BJP has also been using Sheesh Mahal as a tool, as a weapon. What do you think is this major Sheesh Mahal controversy?
See, it is a good point BJP has been raising, because Kejriwal came to power on the plank, number one, that he will never come to politics. He said politics corrupts, and then he came to join politics. Then he said, I will not be using a government bungalow or a government vehicle. He's been doing that. Then the bungalow was not only an ordinary bungalow. He modified it, renewed it to the tune of what, 45 crores? Mind-boggling. That's taxpayers' money. That is not his own personal money. So what he says and what he does, his, charisma which he had, that has worn off, and people are now, wary of him, and they look at him with a doubtful eye. Yesterday, he said that BJP is trying to poison Delhi. This is rubbish. How can, you see, it's ammonia. It happens in February that the level of ammonia goes up, and then by March it will come down. There are certain things which you just cannot stop. Where is BJP in this? Why is he resorting to such cheap politics? Can he manage, first of all, to poison Yamuna? How many tons of poisons do you need? It's huge. And then he says our engineers in time have removed the poison. Can they? Can they manage? It's a huge river. So it's just a bunch of lies. He speaks a lie without, even, bashing an eyelid. And that is, I think people actually know that he is lying. And this makes his credibility even worse in the eyes of the people. People don't like it, and people are not fools. You can't take them for fools. Like they are trying to poison. This is rubbish. It will not go, it will be counterproductive for Kejriwal. He's thinking he's making an issue out of it, but it will be counterproductive for him, because people will stop believing him further.
सर अगर हम बीजेपी की बात करें, बीजेपी ने ये बोला है कि यमुना को हम साबरमती फ्रंट जैसा बना देंगे, और यमुना को हम अगर वी आर इन पावर, अगर हम पावर में आते तो हम यमुना को चेंज कर देंगे। जो पोल्यूशन इश्यूज था या जो अमोनिया लेवल था वो सब नॉर्मलाइज हो जाएगा, वो एक पिक्चरस्क लोकेशन हो जाएगा। डू यू थिंक इट इज़ फीजिबल फॉर द बीजेपी टू डू इट?
आई थिंक कैन डू। आप ये देखिए यूपी के अंदर क्या हुआ, आप अभी देख रहे हैं, स्नान कर रहे हैं लोग, कितना साफ कर रहे हैं। यूपी में तो बीजेपी ने किया ना, तो वाई ही कैन नॉट डू हियर, तो यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं। अगर जो कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर भी किया तो यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता। जब वहाँ किया तो यहाँ हो जाएगा, इसलिए वी कैन बिलीव।
Abhi, I'll ask you. Now the sitting MLA son is contesting. You've said sitting MLA has been being MLA for 4 to 5 times now. What do you think has been the report card? If I ask you out of 10, if you have to rate him, how much would you rate him and why?
See, we requested that the toilet be made in our market. Unfortunately, that could not be done. I do not know why this could not be done. So, I would say it's moderate, or even below moderate, I would say.
10 में से कितना?
10 में से I would say 4.
4.
हाँ.
And I'll ask you the same question, sir. 10 में से कितना देंगे?
देखो बेटा, ये चीज़ें नेगेटिव मार्किंग ही है, नेगेटिव मार्किंग है। आई एग्री विद दिस वन पर्सन।
और अगर I have this one last question for you. अगर हम competition की बात करें, competition is among who? There triangular fight going on. Competition is among which parties? Strong one.
See, stronger one, of course, is the Aam Aadmi Party here and BJP.
Aam Aadmi Party and
BJP will get an advantage because of a triangular contest. Because Congress is definitely going to pull some votes, and it might even surprise people in some areas. And it will be advantage BJP because there is anti-incumbency. Quite a few people or Aam Aadmi supporters might not even come to vote. So it could be an advantage with BJP there also.
And what about Congress standing here?
Congress, you see, JP Agarwal is a veteran. Without doubt, he's a veteran. He's been in this area again for 4, 5, 6 terms. He knows everything in and out. And he's a strong candidate. And this Chandni Chowk, Balli Maran and Bhatia Mahal, this is a strong belt. This has always been with the Congress for quite some time. Even when Prahlad Singh Sani ji was in Congress, he was the sitting MLA from here. Later on, he switched to Aam Aadmi Party. Yeah.
Even Alka Lamba.
Alka Lamba was with AAP. Alka Lamba was with AAP. Her report card was good.
And now she's contesting from another seat from Congress. And sir, I'll ask you the same question.
I think BJP will win. Definitely will win.
But strong competition kin do party.
Between AAP and the BJP.
Done. Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. So yes, sir. Viewers, we had a pulse. We spoke to the people. We got a perspective about what is standing, what is not, who is contesting, who is winning, what is the pulse of the people. We got a understanding, a ground reality. You know, even though yes, it is not very direct, you cannot understand from 2 people or 3 people or 4 people that what is the mood at this very location. But you get a pulse, you get an understanding, even though there's a lot to happen. You know, 5th February is this very mega day that is going to, you know, where Delhi, all the entire national capital will be coming to vote to choose their leader, to choose who is winning and who will be the new CM face, whether it will be the old one, whether there will be a new face. You know, there will be a very interesting fight that is happening at this very, Chandni Chowk Vidhan Sabha constituency also. You get a perspective, you get a idea of the people. On one hand, you see there's a bustling crowd. On the other hand, you see a ground reality of this very place as well. You get to see the Lal Killa behind, ahead of us. You even get to see the Gurudwara behind. You get to see many, shops here, different types of shops. You talk about wedding clothes. You talk about other things. So yes, this becomes very important because this is a market area. This is a marketplace, and this becomes very important for the traders, for the marketers who are in this very situation of the fact that yes, this is going to be a major fight, but rather a triangular fight between 3 major parties: Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress, and the BJP, and it will be very interesting to see who wins this election. It will be worth the wait. This is me, Brian Andy Thomas, signing off with camera person Avdesh for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.